Hey. Nobody knows us while we're here. Could it be fate, a random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspired to melt our lives to make us fuel and fire, then know whenever you will be, too soon shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Remember how we laughed until we cried at the most stupid things that we were so high. But love was all that we were wrong. We belong. And though the world would never understand this unlikely union and why it still stands, someday we will be set free. Pray and believe when the light disappears, and when this world seems sincere, you'll be safe here when nobody hears you scream. I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here.